Get ready for a glow-up you've never seen before. Introducing Shell GTL Saracare, a premium and high-purity wax derived from natural gas. Now tailored for personal care and cosmetic application. Expertly crafted for a wide range of uses. Cleansing, moisturizing, conditioning, softening, fragrance extension, lip care. Innovation has a new shade. Saracare offers high color stability and produces true color brilliance with minimum coloring agents. Heat, we can handle it. Our premium wax offers good heat resistance and high thermal stability, allowing formulators to craft a diverse set of products. Smell that? We don't either. Saracare is odorless and has low oil content, enabling a better consistency output. What's more, it's free from sulfur, nitrogen and heavy metals, offering you cleaner formulation. Unlike petroleum-based waxes, Saracare is chemically distinct, a safer alternative to paraffin and PE wax. Formulated to meet global safety standards. Coming proudly from Sarawak to the world. Unbox the future of personal care and cosmetics with Shell GTL Saracare.